Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Pratap Naikode. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVS Science Study.
Hello dear friends, in today's video we will study plants suitable for flower beds in garden. The role of a flower bed is to display the flowers in the best possible way. Flowers look best when massed in a bed and hence are of special importance in landscaping of the garden. Plant suitable for flower bed is Rosa. Rosa is a genus having different species. And here you can see different photographs of Rosa species. It is belonging to family Rosaceae. The plant is a small shrub having green hard stem with prickles like this. In this photograph you can see the leaves of the plant. Leaves are imparipinnately compound with adnate stipules. Each leaflet shows ovate lamina, serrate margin and acute apex. Rosa produces beautiful scented flowers which are available in different colors like pink, red, orange, yellow, cream, etc. So here you can see some of the shades of Rosa flower. And due to its very beautiful flower, Rosa is commonly grown as flower bed plant. Then the next plant is Petunia violacea. It is belonging to family Solanaceae. As you can see here in this photograph, this is a small annual herbaceous plant. And these are the leaves of the plant. Leaves are alternate throughout or opposite in top region, ovate and acute. Here you can see the flowers of Petunia plant. Flowering can be seen in the month of March to June. Flowers are solitary, funnel-shaped, purple, white or pink colored. Petunia is cultivated in gardens in flower bed preparation like this. Next plant suitable for flower bed is Chrysanthemum indicum. It is belonging to family Asteraceae. In Marathi it is commonly called as Shevanti. It is a small perennial plant. These are the leaves of plant. Leaves are alternate, peripinnate, hairy. And here you can see the very beautiful flowers of chrysanthemum. Flowers are solitary or are in clusters on long peduncles with white, yellow, red, pink or variegated beautiful flowers. As you can see here, when in bloom, flowers present one of the grandest floral sites. Chrysanthemum can be propagated by suckers from the old plants by cutting or from the seeds. The plant required liberal supply of water. Half-open buds should be protected from severe afternoon sun. This is the care must taken for the chrysanthemum flower bed. Then the next plant suitable for the flower bed is Antirrhinum majus. It is belonging to family Scrophulariaceae. As you can see here in this photograph, this is a small annual herb and a great favorite, very serviceable flower bed plant. These are the leaves of the plant. Leaves are opposite, ovate to lanceolate with acute apex. Here you can see the flowers as well as the inflorescence of the plant. Flowers are in terminal raceme and gorgeously colored as yellow, pink, white, blue, scarlet, etc. This plant is easy to grow, thriving in light soil, well endowed with lime. This plant prefers some amount of dryness at the root and hence preferably grown after the rainy season. To keep the plant for flowering for the second time, fading flower spikes should be cut back. Here you can see the beautiful photographs of Pentas carnea or Pentas lanceolata which are suitable for the flower bed. It is belonging to family Rubiaceae. As you can see here, this is a small hairy herb with 4-angled stem. These are the leaves of the plant. Leaves are opposite, oblong, lanceolate with interpetiolar stipules and grooved veins which are acute above and prominent below. These are the flowers of the plant. Flowers are violet, pink or scarlet red in large terminal corymb type of the inflorescence. It is cultivated in garden for flower bed preparation due to its beautiful flowers in constant succession. Dear friends, with this we have completed plants suitable for flower bed. Thank you.